12 years ago was the water war in Cochabamba, Bolivia, the town from where I come from. And I think we're still processing about what did we really do there. You know, I don't think we have a clear idea of what we have accomplished. But I think the main lesson from Cochabamba is that nothing comes from the top, that everything is built from below. And you know, and when we're talking about rights, when we're talking about construction of alternatives, when we're talking about fights, you know, we're talking about a movement that is built from the ground, from below. And that's what we have done there. And the other thing that we have learned, and I think something that we can share with everybody, is that there's nothing definitive. In Cochabamba, the water system was privatized. The laws were very much into commodifying the water. And we mobilized for several months, and we have reverted privatization, and we have changed legislation and law. So when, you know, sometimes we feel like, oh, there's nothing else we can do, you know, it's all done, privatization is happening, we can't do anything else. And that's not true. You know, what we have learned in Cochabamba is that we can always fight those policies and we can also win.